Here is something that we've talked about for ages. You've probably seen in previous videos. We've talked about this thing that's here, and we're really excited about it because we crashed our car into our own garage in New York, and it was a horrible day, and we ruined the back doors that we had on the car, even worse than they were already ruined. And we've been trying to work out how to get new back doors. And thanks to Soph's mum helping us out with the shipping. Under here, we have some new doors for the back of our car. Let's check them out. Guys, Benny from Nomad Effect here. We've got another crazy job we're attempting on our 1988 FJ62 Land Cruiser today. Really exciting. We have some ambulance doors arriving for this car on Friday. Today's Monday. So Soph and I have just gone through the processes of removing the back doors on this car, which wasn't that hard actually. They come off pretty easily. It's uncovered some rust that I need to repair, which is all good. And right now I'm trying to take off the brackets that actually hold the top door in place. Crazy thing about that is that you actually have to remove a little bit of the roof liner in here to get that undone. So I'm going to jump into that right now. If you guys like these videos, please remember to like and subscribe. I can't even say it, no wonder you guys don't do it. So I'm going to start undoing this. Cover that hole somehow. So this lip here on the back of the car, which is where the actual seal attaches to, was just all rusted away. And I didn't really know how to fix that because it's a lot of metal and it's a hard place to do anything. But I've attached a piece of metal angle with some rivets on underneath. And I'm gonna again just kind of smooth that out and make that ready to paint, because that is where the seal will attach to, and I'm hoping to reduce the amount of rust that continues happening in that spot. We're going to open up this box. It's here. Look how big it is. It's tiny. It can fit in my hand. Sophia can fit in my hand. Also, we have to thank Patrick. He sold us these barn doors, and he sold us them on I Hate Mud. He had them up for sale. He said that he got them sent to him in the package that he got from Australia, and they were kind of like excess. And he has gone to extreme lengths. Look at how good this packaging is. He's made sure that on the way from New Mexico, that these barn doors are the best they can possibly be. I definitely think that if there's anything wrong with them when we open this up, it is 100% USPS's fault, because they look fantastic. This is like above and beyond. Like, Patrick's not a company. He's like just a guy that's selling us some doors, and like that's some amazing packaging. So thank you, Patrick. Thank you, Pat. Thank you. what's really exciting, so this says HJ60. So HJ is the diesel version of the 60 series, and it's Wimmera Car Hire, 5-way service station Horsham. Horsham is in Australia, and I've actually driven through Horsham. It's a pretty cool place. It's the middle of nowhere, but it's cool.
We're definitely
I feel like we're gonna try and rescue this sticker because I really love the fact that we have a door that's come halfway around the world, kind of like me. So this one has the handle, and I'm getting like it's got some screws in it, so we'll whip it off in a little bit and check it out. But she's locking.
I mean, there's a tear in this leather, but maybe you can fix that.
Maybe the glass and the seals look really nice.
Yeah, the seals look good.
Especially from the outside, so we actually might whip this glass out to fix the doors up.
Yeah, there's a little bit of rust, I think, here.
With like definitely nothing to write home
But like
about.
we're not gonna have to put fiberglass on it or whatever.
No, it's amazing actually. We're just gonna have to fill these holes.
Okay.
Actually, we have a badge that'll probably go in those holes. Maybe we can just poke the badge back in there.
Okay.
But I'm really excited. This is really exciting. I'm hoping that we sped up the box removal and you guys didn't have to watch us try and undo that box. But we're going to quickly get the other one out and check what that one's like, because this is really exciting.
Woohoo!
We've just been taking these doors apart and trying to look at all the different hurdles that we're going to have to get these into our car. I feel like I've got a lot of them covered. We don't have the OG striker that goes on this top little, I don't know what you call this, door lock. But I've got an idea as to how I can make one, and I think it's actually a really good idea. So I'm not too worried about that one. We've been all over eBay, hitting up people in the UK and in Australia to see if we can find some rubber seals. If anyone out there has some rubber seals for these, I'd love it, but I'm guessing by the time this video comes out, we've probably already fixed this problem. So right now, what Soph and I are going to do is just pop these windows out because I keep moving these doors around and I know I'm going to break one. And I wouldn't even even know where to start to get one of these. So I'm going to pop the windows out quickly and try and be as nice as I can to the seals so we don't have to replace the inner window seals. And we will start cleaning these doors up and getting them ready for paint. Sunday here in Miami, and I'm just trucking along, working on these back doors to get them fitted into the car. And as always, like nothing ever goes like completely to plan. There's a little bit of damage in this door, so I've just pulled away a bit of the bog because I was trying to work out what was going on with this crappy edge on the door here. And turns out there's obviously some damage to the door. I don't know what this is. I don't know how something like that would have happened, but I'm gonna have to fix all that up. What I'm trying to do though, which is pretty cool actually, so these doors go like so, and then this door opens, but then this door on the left, it actually doesn't have a latch on the outside to unhook it. You have to put your arm on the inside and then unhook the door latch, and then that will allow you to kind of open this door. That's not going to work for us because we're going to have the kitchen and things like that on the inside of this door. So what I have is this little handle here, which is actually off our old back doors, which are over there. And what I'm trying to do is work out a way to modify this side of the door and somehow insert in part of this old panel that was on the other doors. Oops, sorry. Part of the old panel that was on these doors and make it go here. so that when you want to unlatch this door, you just click this latch this way, and then this door will open up. A little bit of fun, a little bit of messing around. I feel like I don't feel too bad about cutting up this door, given how bad the condition of it is. Like I definitely want to fix that anyway. So that's my Sunday update, and I'm gonna have a Corona and I'm gonna look at it because I don't know how to do it, but I'll get it done, and I'll try and film a bit of it. If I don't, I'll show you the finished product and sort of explain what I did. So yeah, happy Sunday, guys. So this is the damaged part of our new barn doors that I discovered. There was a lot of bog and everything like that was making this door nice and smooth. But this side, it wasn't cleaned up either at all. So I've just drilled these rivets out, and I'm gonna cut it down here and then along here. I'm gonna try and lower the level of this piece of metal here to allow for the latch to move about here. Hopefully that I explained that okay. I think it all kind of makes sense as I start doing it, but I just want to show you guys what it was like before I started cutting it out. Got a super late one for a Sunday, but I kind of got, I don't know if you guys can see this, kind of got it where I wanted it. So this is going to be the lever that opens the door. Looking pretty rough, but I'll clean it up tomorrow or the next day and show you guys how I do it and how it's working, and then I'm going to try and fit the doors to the back of the car. Super exciting. It was a little bit dark the other night when I was trying to show you what I'd done. So basically, I've tried to fiberglass it through just to even out all the different levels that I've just created so that the handle actually stays below the edge of the door. And I will hopefully get these doors fitted and stuff like that on the back of the car next week. So tune in and make sure you subscribe and follow us and like us and love us on Instagram and do all the things. Thank you so much for getting this far through the video.